In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw from IC Markets. First, open the IC Markets website and sign in to the Secure Client area. Make sure you're on the official site and that your browser shows a secure connection. Once you're in, the dashboard is where you'll handle everything related to funding, including withdrawals. From there, navigate to the Withdrawal section by selecting Withdraw Funds. This brings up the page where you choose how you want the money sent to you. IC Markets supports several common methods: bank transfer, credit or debit card, popular online wallets such as Skrill and Neteller, and, in some regions, crypto. There's an important rule to keep in mind before you pick. You usually need to withdraw using the same method you used to deposit, at least up to the deposited amount. For example, if you funded your account by card, refunds typically go back to that card first. Only after that amount is returned can any remaining profits be sent by another method, like a bank transfer or an e-wallet. This helps with security and compliance and is standard across many brokers. Next, enter your withdrawal details. Choose the trading account if you have more than one, type the amount you want to withdraw, and provide the destination information for your bank, card, wallet, or crypto address based on the method you selected. Take a moment to double-check everything. The name on the receiving account should match the name on your trading account. For bank transfers, confirm the IBAN and SWIFT BIC exactly as your bank provides them. For e-wallets, make sure the wallet ID or email linked to the wallet is correct. If you're using crypto, verify the network and address carefully, as sending to the wrong network can cause irreversible loss. Also note that withdrawing in a different currency may involve conversion fees. When you're confident the details are correct, review and confirm your request. You may be asked to verify the action for security. After submission, IC Markets generally processes withdrawals on their side within 1 business day. The time it takes to reach you depends on the method. E-wallets are often completed within 24 hours, cards usually take about 3 to 5 business days, and bank transfers typically arrive within 2 to 5 business days. Weekends, public holidays, and any additional compliance checks can extend these timelines. Make sure you have sufficient free balance, as open positions reduce what's available to withdraw. Finally, watch for a confirmation email. You can also track the status directly in your Secure Client area, where updates